Okay, welcome to the video. I'm going to be showing you how to generate an LWC with ChatGPT, and no prior coding experience is required. It's really straightforward, and you don't even need to have an idea of what you're going to generate. So open up a ChatGPT window here, and we can just ask it, give me 5 simple Lightning web component ideas that I can add to my app's homepage. And with this, we will get some ideas. So welcome banner, quick links panel, and these are just simple ideas. You can make it as simple or complicated as you want, but because this is going to be a quick video, I'm just going to do it pretty quickly here. So let's just say a welcome banner. So let's take this one, number 1. So we can just say, let's do number 1. Please generate me the code needed for this component. So we'll get the code here. And then as we get this code, we can go and start a project in Visual Studio Code. So if we just come over here and create a new project, and we can name this project, create a new project. Let's name this LWC GPT demo. We can just create it on our desktop here, and then let's also now authorize a org so that we can deploy this. We'll name this as project default, and then we can go over here and authorize this org. I'm just going to authorize this on a different screen. Copy in this information, and after this we can begin creating our web component, which is just basically copy and pasting. Alright, so we now have this saved. We want to create a Lightning web component, so we have all the code generated right here. So let's come back into vscode and create a Lightning web component. The name of this component, as we can see here, is going to be welcome banner. Okay, so let's name this welcome banner. Put it in the default directory. Copy over our code. We got the HTML, so paste your HTML in. Make sure that's saved. Take your JavaScript. Get your XML and your CSS. So we'll need to create a CSS file here. Okay, and then we will need to just come over here, new file. Copy this right here. And then take our code. And then after this, we just need to deploy this. So for deploying, you can even just ask, how can I deploy this to my org? And it'll say that we need to use our developer console here. But we really want to use VS Code. This is best practice. Connect your org, which we've done. Add your LWC, which we've done. And then deploy it. So this is our deployment code right here. Come over to terminal. Just paste this in and try to deploy this. The deployment succeeded. We can now come over here to our Lightning app builder for our org, which we associated to our project. And if we come down here, we've got the welcome banner LWC. We can drag this up, and then there we go. We have our LWC that we just created. We can save this, activate it. It's our default app for our sales console, so we're good. Come back over here to the sales console. We should be able to see this. There we go. So now we have our LWC created in less than 6 minutes, created a full LWC. Pretty simple, but just shows the power of ChatGPT, and you can apply this to more complicated web components as well as Apex classes. And it also gives you instructions on deploying and setting up Visual Studio Code. So hopefully that was useful. Maybe you can use it yourself. And the one thing is, if you're concerned about GPT and you're using this on a Salesforce environment that's more secure, you can check out some of IBM's AI governance solutions, which ensures that your data is protected and not getting leaked out to these AI companies, so that your property can remain yours and you don't have any issues with people stealing your data, and making sure that your code base is secure.